to an ordinary day in my life. Watch this vlog until the end if you don't believe a healthy lifestyle can be easy. By sharing my unpretentious healthy lifestyle, I'm not gonna convince you, but inspire you to live your best life. Welcome to another day, another healthy day in my life. Oops, it's hot. Today is Wednesday, so nothing. We are not going to Costco today. If you are regular here, you know that on Wednesdays I go to Costco and I bring you with me to show my groceries, to explain you my decisions and maybe give you some inspiration on how to eat healthy, how to buy healthy from Costco. But today I'm not going because I went last Friday. Actually, last week I couldn't go on Wednesday, so I went on Friday. Probably you watched that vlog. I don't have many things to buy from there. Actually, the only things that would make me go there right now are the protein bars. We are getting out of them as usual. I'm gonna skip Costco this week, but I'm going to another grocery store. I'm going to Farm Boy. If you are not familiar with this brand, I would say it's kind of Whole Foods. It's a Canadian Whole Foods, I would say. It's a good place to go to buy organics and other natural products. I'm going there to buy things that I don't buy in bulk, like fresh produces or fruits, these type of things. So the plans for today are different, but this week, oh my god, this week is being weird. It's been so weird because, well, I went to the gym this morning as usual, but my gym is not offering the classes that they usually offer on 6 a.m. I usually go to the gym, I get there around 5:15, 5:20. I do some strength training, sometimes I do some cardio, and then I go to classes. I love the 6 a.m. classes. I love the trainer there. I am always there every day. And this week they decided that they have this training going on to their employees. Summarizing, there's no classes this week at 6 a.m. For me, it's insane. I would say it's insane that a gym would do that type of thing. But anyways, let's move on with life. The vlog must go on. So my week is kind of weird. I don't know, I feel weird. Although I'm going the same time, I'm doing my strength training, it's not the same. But anyways, I have video to edit, and then I'm gonna clean the kitchen because yesterday I was cooking rice for my dog and they did a little mess there. So I figured that maybe it's a clue to clean the whole kitchen. Not the whole kitchen, but yeah, I'm gonna clean a little. I'm thinking about cleaning the fridge before I go to grocery shopping. That's are my erratic plans, I'd say. Oh my god, I'm so lost. If you break my routine, you break me. So yeah, let's get started and see what happens. The work I had, and now it's time to concentrate on the kitchen, on the fridge. I'm gonna start by the fridge, and I'm gonna have to clean it because I don't know the last time I cleaned it was more than a month ago. And of course we start by opening the fridge, taking a look and seeing if there is something spoiled in there, if there is something that is not in their best shape, I would say. And even though I consider that here we don't waste a lot of products, I believe with time we could learn how to optimize our groceries. It's still, there's always something that gets spoiled, that gets lost in the fridge somehow. And something that I think that helps us a lot is that we have a routine. Not a routine of cleaning, but a routine of eating, I would say. I'm not saying that we eat the same every day, but we have a pattern, I would say. If you are not new here, you know that when I think about a dish, I start by the protein and then I think about the veggies, the grains, and all of those things. So it gets easy for me, and it will get easier for you with time if you do something like that, because you're going to follow the same process every day and you already know what you like, what you don't like. So this helps you to shop better, to actually save money. As you already know, I go to Costco every week. We are a house of 2 people, so Costco wouldn't make sense a lot if you think about it, because we buy in bulk there. But because we know what we eat on a daily basis, it's so easy for us to know what we have to buy and what we don't have to buy. If you follow the vlogs already, you know that I eat yogurt almost every day, fruits, a protein cookie, protein bar. Those are the things that you see almost in all of the vlogs. So in between them, I make the dishes and I cook a variety of protein and veggies, but the structure is almost always the same. I choose a protein, I choose a grain or a complex or starch, and then I choose the veggies. Simple as that. So I know I always have to have green leaves, tomatoes, cucumber, radish, and I'm always eating them. I'm always using them. So that's a way of not wasting products. Have a structure that you follow always, and you are going to see that it's gonna get easier not only to decide what to cook, not only to cook because you already have everything in place, but it's gonna save you money as well. And I'm talking and talking because I am kind of procrastinating. Yeah, I don't like to do that, but let's do it. Okay, almost everything. Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. If you don't have too much space in your counter like me, you can start by sections. So I got everything out from the first shelf, and then I'm gonna clean it and I'm gonna put the things back there. Sunset man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun. And look what I just did. I broke one of the shelves. Oh God. Well, I'm at least wearing shoes. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my my fridge cleaning and mess, I would say. I took my shower and now, oh no, I forgot my keys. Oh God, and I cannot come back. I cannot enter back if I don't have my keys. Oh, I have to call my husband to come to rescue me. Okay, now that I have my keys, we can actually start. Okay, I think we can finally go, right?
For the first time in ages, I wake up and don't hate it. I guess I found some peace. Through the day to the evening, without shouting and screaming, something new to me. Alone without being lonely, getting back to the old me. It's kinda nice to feel free. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do. I ain't over you. I ain't over. I ain't over. No matter what I do, I ain't over you. Give it time, things will settle. Just a face till it's better, yeah. Heard it all before. Even though we were toxic, feels the most when you've lost it. That's just how it goes. By myself feeling lonely, can't get back to the old me. I'm stuck in way too deep. I thought this was over, thought I could control it. But if I speak the truth, I ain't over you. I was feeling sober until you came up now. I don't know what to do. I ain't over you. I ain't over. I ain't over. No matter what I do, I ain't over you. I ain't over. I ain't over. No matter what I do, I ain't over you. Ain't over you. Ain't over you. And no matter what I do.
So I am back from Farm Boy this time. Let me show you what I got there. It's good sometimes to go there because there are a few things that you can only get there, or at least it's better to get from there than Costco. For example, the oats, my husband likes these quick oats, and of course he prefers to buy organic. It's kind of hard to find quick organic oats at Costco. You find organic oats but the overnight ones, or you find the quick oats but they are not organic. I got this bone broth. It's a chicken bone broth. Actually, it's for my dog. She's not feeling so good. She was throwing up this morning, so we decided to give her some bone broth. And I got pumpkin puree. This is for the dog as well. I want to bake these cookies that she loves it, and it's made from pumpkin. And it's interesting that this was the only brand I could find that had pure pumpkin puree. The other brands I found there, all of them contain sugar and other things. So pay attention to that. When you buy pumpkin puree, you have to find only pumpkin in the ingredients list. If you find sugar, oils, any other thing, it's not a good choice. Another thing that I usually get from Farm Boy is whole wheat pasta. I like their own brand for pasta. I always say whole wheat is so much better than the regular pasta because it's complex carbs, so we only buy them. I got bananas, the same. This is the same as Costco. That's the only thing that is that it's the same price. The bananas were, I believe, 79 cents. I think it's the same price at Costco because all of the other things, I never found something that is cheaper to buy from another place than Costco, to be honest. For example, I wanted to buy mushrooms, but they were so much more expensive. And usually at Costco, I can buy this whole bag. I don't know the weight of the package, but I would say it's at least double size. So I decided to get this shimeji because these I cannot find at Costco. So I think it would be different to have a different mushroom this week. I got cumin seeds. Another thing that is not a good idea for us, at least, to buy from Costco is seasonings, because of course the size of the package there is huge and we cannot consume that in our lifetime. I got bread. This is a whole wheat sourdough bread, actually whole wheat and multigrains. This is a good example of what I say about nutrition. Sometimes clients ask me questions that are hard to answer because most of the answers, they are not black or white. There is a whole spectrum of grays in between. So that's a good example because I had a few choices there. One of the choices were the Farm Boy brand. It was a good one. I read the list of ingredients, and the problem I had with that bread, it's that it contained canola oil or other vegetable oils, I don't remember exactly, and sugar and a lot of other things, a lot of confusing terms, I would say, and I decided probably not a good idea. So I got this one because the list of ingredients is cleaner, I would say. Most of the ingredients are grains. But the thing is, if you are in a calorie deficit right now, maybe it wouldn't be a good idea because this has almost the double of calories than the other one. Another thing to consider is that the other one had, I don't remember if it was milk or eggs, so it has more protein. As I said, it's not black or white, it's gray. You have to decide what's best for you at that time you are buying. So probably on another day I would buy the other one. I don't know. By the way, if you are new here, I always make my own bread. I usually don't buy bread, but I'm out of bread and I cannot make it today. So that's why I got this one, and I was looking for a healthy alternative, and that's why. But normally I bake my own bread. That's the best option ever. Anyways, another thing that I got was chicken breast. This is for my dog as well because she's not feeling okay. So I'm gonna cook it for her and give to her because she cannot eat a lot of things right now. And the last but not least, it's a treat. And it's a weird treat. Bear with me if you think it's weird. I got chicken hearts. Okay, this is not the healthiest part of the chicken, no way. But it's a treat because I love it. I'm from Brazil, and in Brazil, it's a very common thing to have this, especially in barbecues. How can I say? It reminds me of my childhood, or actually my adulthood as well, because I never stopped eating them. So it's a common thing in Brazil to eat that. Usually when we have a barbecue, we have beef, of course, we have the steak, but while the steak is grilling, we have like some appetizers, I would say, quote unquote. And one of those appetizers is chicken hearts because they cook faster. So while we are waiting for the steak, we have chicken hearts, we have chicken wings, we have sausage as well. Sometimes we have a bread that we, how can I say, we fill it with garlic paste, a lot of things. A Brazilian barbecue is, how can I explain? It's different and it's good. But yeah, back to our subject. It's not the healthiest part of the chicken. It's a treat. I love it and I think I'm gonna make it tonight. So that was it. Not a lot of things, but a lot of different things. If you are a regular here, if you usually watch my vlogs when I go to Costco, you realize that it's pretty different because, as I said, there are a few things that I cannot get from Costco and I prefer to buy there. And yeah, nothing more to say, I would say. So yeah, I'm gonna have lunch because I am hungry, and then I don't know. Yeah, you see. I was just finishing a couple of recipes that I had to post in my club. If you are new here and you don't know, I have a private club, a women-only private club, where you can find a lot of useful resource for your wellness journey. You find yoga videos there, yoga class, workshops, courses, and the idea is to create this amazing community of women interested in wellness and health and in a healthy lifestyle, and we can discuss a lot of things like nutrition, like exercise, workout, I don't know, books, anything that makes us happy, that makes us healthy. So if you wanna, you can check that out on my website, lucianawellness.com. You can find all the details there, but it would be amazing to have you there. I just started the group, so you can take advantage that there's not many people in there yet. So you are going to have more attention from me, and by that I mean I can answer all of your questions. I can help you on a daily basis. So don't forget to check that out on lucianawellness.com. I would love to have you there. And yeah, if you like my work, if you like the tips I give here in the vlogs, I'm pretty sure you are going to love the content I create with so much love for you. So I finished everything I had to do, and now it's time to prepare dinner. I know I told you earlier that I would make the chicken hearts, but then I remember that 2 or 3 days ago I asked my husband to buy zucchini because I wanted to make this, how can I say, yeah, it's a sauce. I wanted to make this pasta sauce with zucchini and mackerel. I usually make it with sardines, but I don't have it. I have mackerel. It's a pretty simple recipe, but it's very nutritious because I'm gonna use the whole wheat pasta I got today, so complex carbs. For the protein, I'm gonna use mackerels. You can use sardines. I actually use them interchangeable in my recipes. I think they are pretty similar. I know they're not the same, but you know, they can be very similar, right? I have mackerels and not sardines because the last time I bought, they didn't have sardines in olive oil, only in sunflower oil, I believe. So I prefer to get the mackerel because it's in olive oil. Always pay attention to that. I say it's always a good idea to have cans of tuna, sardines, mackerel, what more? Salmon, because although fresh fish is always better, I think it's a whiz fix for those days when we don't have too much time or we forgot to defrost our protein for the dinner, you know, those type of days, right? So if you have cans of this fish, this fatty fish, you can simply add it to any tomato sauce when you are making your pasta, and voila, you have a protein packed sauce. And that's what we are going to do tonight. And why the zucchini? Because I love to eat sardines with zucchini. I don't know why. I think they go well together. And this week, I don't know. I you know, when you have this desire, this inner desire to eat something that you don't eat for a long time. That's why I asked my husband to buy the zucchinis, and I realized that they are not gonna last a lot. So let's use them.
Some people